Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to yet another video of Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch LED TV. In this TV the complaint is sound okay, no picture. See here the backlights are working. While tapping on the screen you can notice that white light flashing. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of panel Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. Here it's 100% confirmed that it's a display related fault. Here we already opened the TV back cover for repair. See, this is 43-inch smart Android LED TV. See here you can notice that there are two FFC cables connected with the TV motherboard. This means that here in this TV the panel Tecan board is integrated with the TV motherboard. Here you can see the CSOT chip on motherboard. This means that it's a CSOT panel. Before starting repair, let's discuss about this fault. Here, due to panel internal shorting, the DC-DC IC goes to protection mode. Due to that, it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages like vgh, vgl, avdd, etc. So let's start repair. Here first we are going to remove right side FFC cable first and check the half portion display is okay or not. See friends, here the complaint remains same blank screen with backlight fault. Now let's reconnect it and remove the left side FFC cable and check the picture. See friends, after disconnecting the left side FFC cable, now the half portion of the display comes. This means that the problem is with the left Gatesignals and right side Gatesignals are working properly. So here to repair this panel we are going to implement a short temporary fix by using taping method. We are going to block Gatesignals entering to panel from left side. For that, here we take a cello tape and going to block the last 15 pins using this. Remember that this is just only a temporary fixing method. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. See finally here you can see the picture comes and the sound okay, no display blank screen, solved successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.